Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeup by Bicola, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is this look. I hope you guys are subscribed, and don't forget to like this video and we can get right into this look. So I'm starting off by priming my eyes with my concealer, and I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow. So I'm using the BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil. This palette is the bomb.com. I don't know why it took me so long to get it, but yeah, I'm using that pink shade on top, and I'm putting that all over my eyes and blended it in. So you want to beat up the color, start small and build on. So I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm going to add that to my crease, and also a little bit over the pink eyeshadow. This is just to make the pink one a little lighter than it is. Nothing serious. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease so I can add a guideline to put the next color, and I'm using the same concealer that I used in the beginning. So now I'm taking the BH Cosmetic Foil Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using that yellow gold color on my lid, and this color is so pretty. I wasn't expecting it to be this pigmented, guys. I wasn't expecting it, okay? But I love the way it turned out. I was really feeling this color, and the bird in me is about to start acting out. And I was talking to my sister, but now I'm taking this reddish orange to blend out the yellow color with the color on my eyes, just so everything is smooth and seamless. So now I'm taking my BH Cosmetic eyeliner. Everything is just BH Cosmetic today. But yeah, I'm taking the BH Cosmetic to give myself a very thin eyeliner. And I can't do my eyeliner while talking, so I'm gonna shut up. But before that, PSA. You cannot have a dramatic eyes and have nothing under your eyes, okay? It doesn't work. I'm going to smoke this out a little bit. Not a little bit, a lot. I'm going to smoke it out. Okay, we have a little bit of drama coming in. And now I'm going to take the brush that I used for the orange and take a little bit of orange eyeshadow. Just blending this out a little bit more. The eyes are done. I need a little bit of inner corner, but we can get into that later. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer Coverage in, what is this color? Dark chocolate and coffee, and I'm going to mix these two together to get my perfect shade. I'm gonna take a powder brush and buff the rest of the foundation to my skin. I'm going to take the concealer in Taupe. going to lightly set my concealer with the Sacha Buttercup. It's very lightly. So for my contour, I'm using this dark powder to contour. You can use a dark eyeshadow or brown eyeshadow to do this. I haven't found any liquid contour color for me, so I'm using this one. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. dark blush palette, and I went too heavy-handed with the blush, but it's okay because who doesn't like rosy cheeks, right? I was able to make it work, so that's fine. And now I'm going to finish up with a complexion powder before I go in with my highlight. And guys, when I tell you, I haven't seen anyone talking about the ColourPop loose highlighter that it came out with in December. Like, this highlight is popping. Look, just look at that. That is the ColourPop loose highlighter. I'm going to put the link down below, so make sure to check that out. I'm thinking of doing a review on it because I don't see people talking about it. Why? But this highlighter is really popping, and it will have you feeling yourself like no tomorrow. Okay, so get your hands on one. After going a little crazy with the highlight, I'm going to use my blush brush and make sure the highlight is all blended in and nothing is looking too crazy. Okay, and I'm feeling myself. Okay, so today I'm actually trying eyeshadow as a lipstick, and I'm going to use this 2 orange shades mixed together. I'm gonna start with the darker one first. That one. That's going to go in the outer corner. Kind of as a lip liner, you know? So I still have a little bit of gloss on my lips. Now I'm going in with the orange shade. That's going in on the center. I think this would actually be very pretty if I didn't have a little bit of gloss on my lips. But hey, gotta make it work. Take a look. Eyeshadow. Then I'm going to add a little touch of gloss. Clear gloss, by the way. Okay, I think I like it without the gloss, but I'm not mad at it. Okay, and this is it for the look. I'm going to fix up my hair a little bit because it looked crazy. Okay, and we're done. So what do you think of the look? So this is the look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.